Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now guys. In this video I'm talking about Hedera Hashgraph price update, and I'm also going to do a price prediction about Hedera Hashgraph. So let's start the video guys, but before starting this video please subscribe my channel for more news and update videos guys. The right now price of Hedera Hashgraph in the market is 0.331699 USD dollar. There is a right now price of Hedera Hashgraph. Furthermore guys, if you study the price changes update, so now the last 1 hour update is positive 0.24%. last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the Hedera Hashgraph are completely negative guys, and the last 1 week change is about negative 23.23%. oh my god, 23% the price jumps. That's too bad guys. Anyways guys, if you study the price chart of Hedera Hashgraph, so you can see here guys from last 1 month update, absolutely in the last 1 month for a long time Hedera Hashgraph start pumping, but unfortunately in the latest situation Hedera Hashgraph are going in the loss guys, but the changes is still positive 35.06%. so I recommend for you that guys don't take it serious, just hold, and I hope guys that is a temporary false possibilities that it's the last of September. In the last week of September there is again possibility that Hedera Hashgraph will again start pumping guys. Anyways, what you think, what is your prediction about Hedera Hashgraph? Also share on the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.